Hello friends, my name is Harish. Welcome in my video series on shell scripting. Now in last lecture we have seen there's something about the variables. Now we will just move towards the array. Now array is what? So that array is used to hold the multiple values in a single variables. So or also we can say it is a collection of the similar values or similar type values and something. But when we say similar type values, that is only valid for the C or CPP something. But here that is the exemption. So at this moment you just understood that array is used to hold the multiple values in a single variable. That's it. Now we'll see. So again one by one. Again I'll just create one file, that is array.sh. Now empty file has been created, this array.sh. So pico array.sh. Now again same thing, ben and bash. Now see here we can declare that array, declare minus a and suppose array, or I'll use that same symbol this, or I'll say it is not mandatory, so I'll put this in comment, right? Or I'll say this array, right? This is not mandatory, but we'll see. Now there are multiple ways to declare this. Suppose array of 0, if it is like Harish second, array of 1 Rihan. Again these things are not mandatory. Array 2 array of 3, like this, right? So this is declaration, and see, so to display this echo and this dollar, then this opening brace, array, then suppose first, or we'll say second, this one. Now see here that dollar and this opening brace and closing brace is mandatory, and this is not the mandatory. So we'll see this. Now here again that same problem will come. Array.sh, so permission denied, chmod plus x, array.sh, so permission accepted, and this one. Now see, at second location this Priya is there, this one, at second location Priya is there. So if you change this one, suppose 1, and here now that output should be Vihan. Now this is Vihan. So any particular elements we can display here, or again here we can display that entire array. Suppose you want to display entire array, echo, then dollar, opening brace, array, and you can use star, or also you can use this @sign. So suppose star this one, So save it. See, this one is to display this, and this statement is used to display this complete array: Harish, Vihan, Priya and Rituja. So all these elements have been displayed using this one. So to display particular element from the array, we can use simply this. To display complete, so we can use this, or also one other way is also here: echo dollar opening brace array at the rate, sorry, in square bracket at the rate this one. Save it, and now see this one. So this Vihan is using this statement, this second is using this second, and this third is using this third. So in this way we can declare this. One more example I'll take it. Again, second example I'll just take it. Suppose pico array 1 dot sh, right? So here again ben bash. Now suppose array this is equals to Harish, sorry, Vihan 10, 10.5, Priya something. So this is again one way to declare this array, and again echo dollar this opening array, then star, then this one. So now again I need to compile this here. So again I need a array 1 dot sh, this one permission denied, again chmod plus x array 1 dot sh, so permission granted. Now this one. Now see, now here also, as I said, the definition in C is collection of similar type element, but here not necessary to say that collection of similar type elements, because here we have considered the string, then integer, then floating, and again string, and this array has been displayed here. So this is again another way to declare the array. So I think this is enough. So this was something about the array. You might understood this. So please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you very much.